Day 1, 11, 7, 2020. So, this is my first vlog. I've never been developing apps or any games in for the past. I have decided to go for it, taking the projects and all that stuff, developing games and all. So, starting with my formal introduction, I am Naman Arora. I'm an Indian developer or just a learner yet. So we'll cover my introduction in some another blog or something. So this is an audio vlog or something like that. I don't know the technical term yet. I'm just vlogging my experience with my first day. So I've decided to work on a project that will be like a list maker and management system, kind of like automating the Excel sheet management and creation for my dad's business. I've decided to automate it so my dad would be happy. I've given myself a deadline of 7 days, that's 17. So it's basically not day one, I have taken a day more. That was the last day to design the whole project. And after the designing the application, I have decided on it to work on its interface, and that was my today. I woke up and started building an interface of the front page, creating 4J labels. Yeah, I would like to tell you I'm building it in Java. I know a bit Java, C Sharp, JavaScript, and HTML, but I'm not building an web application. I'm building a desktop application instead because my father won't care if it's web or desktop. So yeah, this so starting with my first day, I created 4J labels creation that included creating a list and managing a list and the client management thing, and one more was just holding the about section and help. So I started creating the create list thing. In that I created the dialog box, and the dialog box just takes the input, the type of list you want to create, ask from the user and the month and the year, and then it should create an Excel sheet automating some usual stuff like lines, their GST numbers, and they would have been registered already, so you don't have to type them again and again. So that's what I basically meant to do in this application. So yeah, I'm connecting it with a database, MySQL, that I learned. So I'm connecting it with a JTable. So yeah, as we click on the label, dialog box opens up asking these few stuffs, and then when you click OK, it will check if the list is already been created or not. If not, it will create the list and show you the spreadsheet in which you can do the stuff. Or pretty much things will already been like formulated or already created, so you don't have to do anything. You just have to type a few things like price and date, and the rest all things would be done by the application. This is what I did today. I created the spreadsheet and the GUI, worked on that. And one more thing that I did, I created that J connectivity thing, the table thing. It will check if the list is created or not. I also created a bit of my another the label interface, but I will like not tell you that because it was a complete failure thing. So yeah, and one thing I didn't tell you, if that list has already been created, then that means if that list exists of a month or a year, so the application will ask you a dialog box to you and will ask you if you want to update it or show some changes or not. So that if you don't have forgotten that you have already created that list, you can just remind by that. So yeah, that's all for today. I will not enlarge this vlog anymore. So yeah, if you like what I've done, please give it a like, and if not, please let me know in the comment section. This is my first vlog and I'm having a very new experience. I'm just 18 and I've done my pre-graduation thing. So yeah, pretty much my first project. I hope it will be ended till 17th, which I'm not sure I will, but let's see what the future holds.